Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to start a new video series on Python. So welcome to the world of Python programming. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Whether you are interested in creating websites, analyzing data, or building games, Python has got you covered. In this tutorial series, we will walk you through the basics of Python programming step by step. By the end, you will have all the skills you need to start building your own projects and impress your friends with your new skills. So, ready to get started? Let's dive into the world of Python together. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.